the sight in the game, could see the boxing voice.
All right, guys, Team DSG just walked in. What's going on? What's going on, brother? Yeah, man.
Look at this. A minute early. A minute early. You're a minute
Oh my God. Yo, y'all some haters.
Come on, bring us some air from Philly.
Can you, excuse me, brother. Excuse me. Hey, Danny.
Mi hermano, ¿cómo está?
Who's walking you into the ring? Meek?
They don't let us do that one.
Yeah, no Meek Mills, guys. They said PBC doesn't let them do that.
You guys want Danny, get him now.
See this I just want to show y'all, look, all these people, nobody asking one fucking question. The minute I start asking, they're gonna record everything I said. Bunch of losers. Y'all seen that, right? See, step back. Look at this. Look at the mob of people. No one asking one fucking question. But as soon as I go over there, they're gonna record every fucking word I say. Copycat ass. Excuse me.
Go in there and, get the victory. Dictate the pace of the fight. Just take charge from the beginning. Is the chasing chicken something serious? Is that really a part of it? No, we're just messing around. Yeah, we're just messing around, chasing chicken. Getting something to talk about. Which point did you expect? It's hard to catch a chicken though. How hard was it? Let's talk about it. It's pretty hard. But you gotta grab it by when you go to grab it, it jumps. So it's like you gotta time it perfect. Do you expect the Paulie that boxes more or the Paulie that went to war with Cotto? I don't know. I'm prepared for Cotto. I box with a lot of guys who move. I box with guys who come forward, so we're ready for whatever. You said you're bringing more power. You're not going to be dehydrated. You feel like you're going to be a new Danny Garcia at 147. Yeah. What's going to be everything that's new about Danny Garcia at 147? What can we expect to see? You're going to see a lot more energy, a lot more smarter. A lot more agility, and we're going to go in there and get the job done.